You can practice real Salesforce Order Management Administrator Accredited Professional Exam questions for preparation. 1. An administrator suspects that recent changes to a flow have created a defect. The administrator wants to test the flow with input data that they believe will cause the error. What can the developer do next? A. Open the flow and select Attach to Live Session. Provide the session ID. Select Attach. B. Open the flow. Select Debug. Provide the input values. Select Run. C. Open the flow. Select Debug with inputs. Provide the input values. Select Run. D. Open the flow and select Attach to Live Session and provide the order number. Answer. C. 2. An administrator is attempting to deploy a change set from a development org to a test org, but the test org is not available in the list of target organizations. What are 2 reasons that could cause this issue? A. The components in the change set could not be found within the test org. B. Change sets can only be deployed from a sandbox org to a production org, not another sandbox org. C. The development org has not been approved to upload change sets from within the test org. D. The development org and test org are not associated with the same production org. Answer. C. D. 3. Which 3 statements are true about change sets? A. Sending a change set between 2 orgs requires a deployment connection. B. Change sets can only be sent between orgs that are affiliated with a production org. C. A change request should be created when the admin wants to send customizations from the current org to another org. D. Changes can be deployed to any instance of Salesforce as long as the destination has approved it. E. Change sets can contain only modifications made through the setup menu. Answer. A, B, E. 4. An administrator has created a flow but during testing they encounter an unhandled fault error. Which 3 can the administrator do to get more details for debugging? A. Create a fault connector. B. Add a display text component which includes SFIOW. Fault message. C. Add an error node. D. Add a screen node. E. Create an error connector. Answer. A, B, E. 5. An admin is working with order management licensed as standalone. B2C commerce is not in the scenario. The admin submits a JSON payload using Workbench and Workbench indicates the operation was successful. The second time the same payload is submitted the operation fails. What are 2 likely causes? A. Stock keeping unit values must be updated. B. The payment data must be updated. C. The stock levels in the org are depleted from the first order. D. The order reference number must be updated. Answer. B, D. 6. A user is encountering an error when attempting to save an account record. What can an administrator use to research the issue? A. The Problems tab within the Developer Console. B. The Chrome DevTools console. C. Lightning logs within Setup. D. A user trace flag and debug log on the affected user. Answer. D. 7. An administrator is running into performance issues due to a high number of records being created in a flow. How can the administrator modify the flow to improve scalability? A. Ask a developer to create a flow apex action to offload the creation of records. B. Ask a developer to offload all the flow functionality to Apex code via triggers and Apex classes. C. Use the bulk create records node in the flow to improve performance. D. Offload the creation of records to a subflow that will be called in the reference flow. Answer: C. 8. For what use case would an administrator enable person accounts during order management setup? A. Person accounts are always enabled for order management. B. Connecting order management to B2C commerce. C. Connecting to an external ERP system. D. Connecting order management to B2B commerce. Answer: B. 9. An admin wants to deploy certain pages in order management to approved mobile devices. Which two steps are the recommended approach for this? A. Build a custom application on Heroku calling the APIs. B. Install the Salesforce mobile app from Apple Store or Google Play. C. Save the pages with the options of both desktop and phone applied. D. Use the mobile publisher to create an app. Answer: B. C. 10. A company sells its products in kits. The company wants the kits to remain grouped together during returns in order management so that all parts of the kit are accounted for. What should the administrator recommend? A. Add a suffix to the stock keeping unit of the product which represents kit status. B. Track the individual kit items using custom attributes. C. Add a custom attribute to the order header only. D. Pass the data as is. Order management will handle the kit. Answer: B.